Alright, we are at this building in Golden. You can see there's a lot of construction going on here. This is a neat place. I like this interior. Ooh. What the heck is that call station? Oh, look at that. That's nice. Do not bang on this door. Oh yes, nice wooden call station. It's got the bumper. Nice. Montgomery. This is a pretty building. That's where we just were. Definitely Montgomery. L is locked. We'll take one more ride. End it on 2. Anyway, we'll get a little look out the window at the end now. That's it.